Computer networks are everywhere. Whether you're watching a movie at home, navigating through city traffic, or working in a multinational company, computer networks make it all possible. Let's explore 3 major applications of computer networks using simple, real-life analogies.
Although everyone is doing different activities, all these devices are connected through the home's Wi-Fi network.
The network allows every family member to access the internet and share resources simultaneously.
Mapping your smart home's activity. From remote work to online education, smooth gaming and video calls, all powered by one reliable network.
Even while moving from one place to another, the smartphone remains connected through 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi. This continuous connectivity allows real-time communication and instant updates.
Network mapping optimizes every stage of the delivery process.
Order delivered. Have a great day.
Instead of working independently, every department is connected through a computer network. Information is shared instantly, helping the organization work efficiently. Network mapping visualizes an organization's digital infrastructure. It connects company activities directly to applications. This maps every process for remote collaboration and security. Whether at home, on the move, or at the office, our digital world connects every part of our lives, driving productivity and communication. Computer networks have become an essential part of our daily lives. At home, they connect our family, entertainment, education, and smart devices.
On mobile devices, they keep us connected wherever we go, enabling navigation, communication, and banking. In businesses, they help employees collaborate, share information, manage resources, and serve customers efficiently.